Wouldn't it be great if you could do physics in slow motion? Like the Newton's cradle. I love that demonstration, but everything happens so fast. It's hard to see the transfer of energy, conversion of energy. But if you could slow it down, here I've got gravitational potential energy, converted to kinetic energy. Now there's the transfer from one ball to the next. Now the one on the far side, gravitational potential energy, converting it back to kinetic energy. Here comes the collisions. That's beautiful. I love the chaotic pendulum. It's a great demonstration, but man, that thing's fast. It's really hard to see what's going on. You could slow it down. We're just going to watch the part where it went from clockwise to counterclockwise. You know, with a physics demonstration slowed down like this and a little music, it's almost like ballet. Well, almost. Traveling wave's a great demo. Send a wave down a spring. But gee, it all happens so fast it's a blur. Let's look at it in slow motion. There goes the wave. And here comes the reflection. Great. Take a basketball and a bouncy ball, stack them up and drop them. You see the bouncy ball shoots way up in the air. All the energy's transferred to it. But in slow motion, you see something else. See, that bouncy ball is falling just not quite as fast as the basketball. That's because air drag's affecting it more. There's the energy transfer. Take a little bouncy ball, freeze it in liquid nitrogen. Now you've got something very brittle. And it shatters if you drop it on something hard and sharp. Oh, you want to see the rest of this? Well, I got a deal for you. It's the 13th annual Department of Physics November Demo Show, Physics in Slow Motion. It's next Friday, November 20th at 7 p.m. It'll be online. You can find more about it in the link posted at nds.usu.edu. That's November Demo Show, nds.usu.edu.